All right.
Hey, Pa, what are you doing on a Sunday?
Oh, putting another hitch on my truck.
What are
Oh, can you give me that striker? Is it right there? Yeah, my hitch broke, so I got a new one.
Sometimes
Hi,
you need a
y'all.
new hitch.
Huh?
Sometimes you need a new hitch.
Yep.
Laying down on the job, I see.
Yep, having a nap.
Beautiful day in Pennsylvania.
It is nice. After yesterday, it was like Noah's Ark day.
Yeah, we had a lot of flooding around here.
Terrible.
A friend of ours, he was getting water right through his light fixtures on his wall from the roof leaking.
Must have driven right in.
Yep, and his basement was flooded. All that fun jazz. So what else is on the agenda for our Sunday off? Our only day off.
I don't know if I can get this done. We gotta go look at that C&K property. What else?
I don't know.
I was gonna put that road in down there but I don't know, that guy don't want me in there Sunday. He goes to church and stuff.
It's a day of rest.
Huh?
A day of rest.
Yeah, for some people.
For some people.
No rest for the wicked.
So anyway, maybe we'll take a nice hike in the woods later.
What's that?
Maybe we'll take a nice hike in the woods later.
Yeah. See, is that little iron screwdriver around here anywhere? Jeez, man, I'm not having good luck getting this brake on.
You can do it. Patience.
Yeah, I'm gonna get sprayed with hot stuff in a second. At least I won't bleed to death. It'll cauterize it. Right?
Yeah, he's on a new, what do you call that? Blood thinner since this last stint last
Something
week.
nasty, whatever it is.
But it's keeping his blood nice and thin so it won't clog up again.
Yeah.
Although that last
Thinner,
stint, it was due to what? What do they call it?
What?
Your last stint. Why did you need that? Because it did what? It got blocked by how?
What is wrong with these all of a sudden? They're not out. Propane.
Ooh. Now that's a fire.
Yeah.
His last stint was,
You know how to regulate the
God, no.
propane bottle?
No, I don't, and I don't want to blow you up.
Go over to the thing. There's the big fat tank, right?
The white one?
Yeah, and there's a big brass
Yep.
with the adjuster between the two things.
Yeah, the brass one?
Turn it in until the inside gauge is about 10 pounds. I gotta set 5. Just turn it in a little bit. You on the right thing?
I don't know.
Turn it in.
Well, which way is in, left or right?
Turn it in clockwise.
Clockwise. I don't know if I'm doing the
A
right.
little bit more.
I don't know if I'm doing the right thing.
Alright.
Is it the one that says Flame Tech?
Oh, God. What? It's
Well,
a brass T looking thing.
yes.
Turn it in. You can see the needle on the inside gauge go up. That's good. You got it. Good. Thank you.
No swearing when I'm videoing you.
What's that?
There's no swearing while I'm videoing you.
I know. I'm trying to.
Being a good pa.
Huh?
Being a good pa.
I'm trying to be nice. But this is aggravating. It's a little bit.
You know,
Oh, that one went right in my ear. It's burning. Ow.
life's aggravating.
Ow.
Oh my God.
Ow.
Well, turn the other way.
That's too late. Went out.
Ay, ay, ay.
Huh?
Boy, you didn't even put a whole sentence of swear words together and make up your own swear.
Proud of myself. Oh, come on. I should see. What is the problem here? Jeez, friggin' man.
Oh, scar tissue. That was why you had your stent.
Yes. I got it.
Jesus, you just moved this whole thing.
I know, I need a hammer. Where's my hammer? So anyway. What
So,
in the friggin' world is wrong?
would this
now?
be considered fabricating?
Yeah, well, I don't know. Why is that like this? This is not.
The greatest question in the world. Why?
Yeah. I don't get it. I must have welded the remains of the bolt right to the stupid thing. There it goes, maybe. Alright, I need a chisel. Can you go get me a chisel? The drawer over there says chisels and bars. I don't imagine anything in there.
Is this a chisel? Is this big long thing a chisel?
No, it's a bar.
Hold on. What's his name? Cowboy tried to organize a bunch of stuff here. Looks like a file. Nope. Nope. Negative.
Can't find one?
No idea what those things are.
I don't know where they are. We'll find one too.
No, I'm not through all the things yet. Hold on. There's a bunch of other drawers here. I don't see a chisel. All right. Well, anyway. These look like tuning bars to me. Is this a chisel or is this a tuning bar? Careful.
Catch on fire.
Don't catch on fire. Jesus.
You see me catch on fire, I get
I'm gonna video it. I'm gonna keep videoing.
Huh?
I'll keep videoing. It'll make a good video.
I can't get the torch in from the top, so I gotta blow the thing out from the bottom. It keeps all the damn, ow. The slag goes up, hits the frame, and bounces into my face. It's a beautiful thing.
Do you want a mask?
A what?
A mask of some sort?
Am I that ugly?
Yeah.
No, I'll be alright. It's almost over with. I just burned myself to death for a minute. The only good thing about these burns, that when you burn holes in it, don't bleed.
Yeah.
Something wrong with them torches. I don't know what's
Hey,
wrong.
is this a chisel or is this a tuning fork?
They call it a pickle fork. It's a ball joint fork. Oh, okay, I got this. All right. Now I'll open the jacket here and try and bend this up. Oh.
God, I hate that. Look at those hands. Yuck. I'm showing him my greasy mitts.
Oh.
I hate being in this garage. It just gets
Well, sorry, babe, but I need help.
No, it ain't that. It's the stuff gets in my lungs and it makes me want to.
Such a delicate little flower.
Well, no, it's just like it's all that poisons in the air suffocating
Oh, what?
me. Poisons. It gets in my lungs.
Hi.
I swear to God, I can be in here 5 minutes and I can feel my lungs.
Gotta jack that puppy up.
All right. So how do I
Press
do?
this button in, Rich. Make sure your valve's all the way closed.
Oh, Jesus. All the way
All the way
closed.
closed, clockwise. Close it off.
Well, how do I know when it's closed all the
Okay,
way?
so what happened here, guys,
Oh.
is when the hitch broke, it bent this side of the frame down a little bit. So I got the air jack and a block. I'm just going to try and jack the weight of the truck onto it and straighten the flange out. Should go. Go ahead, jack.
All
up.
right. Before I touch this button,
Yes.
if I let my finger out the button, does it stop?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because I don't want to kill you under there.
You won't kill me, I promise. Might maim me, but I won't be dead.
Oh, that's good.
I'll live through it. I'll live in agony for
Do you want me to hold my finger down?
Yes, go ahead. Jack it up. Hold it.
Sounded like it was running out of steam. God, be careful under there. If that frickin' thing moves.
It's all right. I'm fine. I'm fine. All right, give me the torch and the heater, the striker back, and the heater straightens. We got the weight of the truck on it now.
Yeah, and
I
it's
don't know what.
not going to collapse on your head, right?
It ain't gonna collapse on my head.
Because that would make a gross video and I wouldn't be able
it'd
to
be
post
great.
it. It would be like a pumpkin getting
Like melon
smashed.
head. Melon exploding head.
I don't know why you get to lay down on the job and I don't.
This thing, I don't know why they got the gas in this thing.
Maybe there's water in the tank.
Huh?
Maybe there's water in the tank.
I don't know, the tank may be empty. I can't tell from here.
I can't either. Can I?
The big propane tank. Turn that thing in again.
Okay.
Alright, there you go, that's good.
The gauge on the left says like 0.
I can't hear you with this going, hang on. Alright, jack that up again.
Watch your head.
Alright, jack it up. Alright, hold it. Jack's at the end of the screw is what's wrong.
Yeah.
Where'd that hammer go?
Oh, crap. Which one?
Is it in here somewhere? Oh.
Yeah, right there. Whack it, Pa. Whack it.
Yeah. Beautiful. We did it.
Yeah, I did a lot. So anyway, I was saying the gauge on that big white tank,
Yes.
the gauge on the left was like nothing. It was all the way down on the left. The gauge on the right was like up to 800, it said. 800 or 100 underneath it. I don't know how to read them things.
Oh, get you over shit.
Don't say the F-bomb, it's Sunday.
I didn't say that.
Oh, what'd you say?
I said poo-poo. Poo-poo, caca. Oh, I got a big thing burnt right into my ear.
That's
It
nice.
went in there and burnt in.
That's gross. Ugh.
Oh, I got it. Look at that.
Let me see.
Big hunk of slag. It burnt right into my ear.
It's disgusting.
Oh, it's still in there. Some of it.
It's not your brain falling out, is it?
Probably. Probably cooked with a little bit of brain. I don't think my brain's that big.
Anyway, well, maybe
I can do.
after all our maybe after all our chores today, we can do some putt-putt.
Yeah.
Why not?
Explain to the fine folk what putt-putt is. They probably think it's some term for sexual relations.
No, we already had our kids.
Yeah, we don't do that now.
Putt-putt mini golf.
Mini
We were gonna
golf.
play last night, but of course, because
If
I
get my mitts on,
suggested,
Go get my four-wheeler and go for a four-wheeler ride.
well, because I mentioned playing mini golf, it poured like cats and dogs. So,
Oh.
okay, I think I'm done. Oh, you want me to?
Bye-bye.
Well, I don't know, unless you got anything interesting.
Hey, thanks for all the new subscribers, and thanks for all the likes. And if you like this crazy stuff, give us a like and let us know.
And watch our
Turn this down a little bit.
videos with. Make sure you watch a commercial so we can bring our kids to Disney World.
Turned it down.
You said turn it clockwise.
This is clockwise.
That's the way I turned
No,
it.
you didn't.
I did too. I can
No,
show
you
you.
had it all
Yeah,
out.
I can show you the video. You said turn it in, and I turned it to the right, clockwise.
Right. It's
No, I turned it this way.
to the left. No? No.
Well, to me, that's the right.
Right, yeah, you're right. Okay. But,
So I did turn it that way.
well, you turned the gas completely off. So.
Well, you know what? Then my boss gave me the wrong directions.
Right. Let's see if this works now.
My boss gave me the wrong directions.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Better?
Now we're cooking with gas.
Is that better? Okay, so everybody, yep. Enjoy your weekend. What's
Okay,
left
yes.
of it.
Ta-ta, what's left of the 2 minutes Sunday.
Ta-ta for now, bye.
Bye-bye.